In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate debt in Excel, and then after, I'll also show you how to do the same in Google Sheets. Google Sheets seems to be having more options, so stick around. So let's start with Excel. Now, we have to demonstrate what I'm going to do. I have an example here where the date of birth is 25th of April 2000, and the current date of today is 23rd of September 2022. And I'm interested in calculating the age in years. So what I can do is I easily subtract this, and then I get this 8,186, and I convert it into 2 years, and I get 22.4 this. So if I want only the years, I can use the integer function, which returns only the years as so. Now, if your date is you write your date in this format, so you'll observe that this one is towards the left, indented to the left, and this is indented to the right. So this one is a text, and this one is a date. So if it is in this format, and you want to calculate the date, it is not going to work. It's going to give us a value error. However, what we can do to make it work is we need to convert this into a default date, which is in the American system date, where we start with the month, day, like so. Then the month is 9th September, the day is 23rd, and the year is 22. So if I do like this, then I'll be able to make my computation where I say this minus this equals that. Then all I do is to divide by 365.25 to get that. So to return only an integer, a whole number, I'll enclose it in an integer, and I'll get my 22. So let's try it down here. I say 4th of April 2000, then 9th, 23rd, 2000. So because it is indebted to the right, it shows that this one is entered as a debt, and I can easily do the subtraction. Or better still, just copy this and put down here, and you can see I get the same. But you can say I want it in this format. Now, if you want it in that format, ensure first of all it's in an American system format. It's Control 1. I hope so, yes. Then you can change it into the UK system here. Then you say okay, and then it converts into this. So you may want your dates to be displayed like this, but when you type them, they'll appear as text, and when you try to subtract them, they'll not work. They'll give you a value error. So to eliminate that value error, first write the date into the American system, and then format it by Ctrl T. You get that dialog, and then you'll be able to subtract the date, just as I've shown you here. So let's see the option of Google Sheets. So I have dates here. Again, I've typed them. I just went here and typed 25th August 1977 and 23rd of September 2022. So again, if I subtract these two, it will not work. Even if I use another function in Google Sheets, which is called date diff, start date, end date, If you want years, you put Y. I did a video on dates. Still, this one will not work. So this date needs to be in the American system format for it to work. So you need to type it by starting with the month, day, and year. Month, day, and year. Now, when you change it to this system, you can see it gets indexed to the right, and meaning that it is recognizing this as a date, and therefore you can easily do your computations using the date if function, which gets a difference between two dates, the start date, the end date, and if you want the age in years, in quotes, you put year and quote, close your brackets. So we get 44 years. So if I want months, I put an M there in quotes, and I get 539 months. If I want the age in days, I put D and I get 16,434 days, 16,434 days. So this is how you can compute your age in Google Sheets. Google Sheets gives you different options. So you may also want to calculate the age and the month. For example, when we calculate this one, we round it off into years, but you can calculate the full years and the months in Google Sheets. So to do that, we shall use the diff function, which gets a start date, takes also an end date. Then thereafter, if I want my years, in quotes, I put years, close my brackets, I get years. Then there's also another function, same function, that if, where I take the start date, then the end date, then this time in my quotes, I put year M. In other words, after the years, how many months are remaining? So it's going to give me the months remaining, and it will show me that it is 44 years and 11 months, the age of this person who was born on 25th of September 1977. As of today, 23rd of September 2022, is 44 years and 11 months. Of course, using again the Google Sheet formulas, you can concatenate these and make it more reader friendly. To do that, you'll have to copy this function here, do the copy of that, come here, Control V, then use the n%, and then in quotes, I'm going to say years. I'll leave a space, then I say years, close my quotes, n%, and then again here, after that, I need to leave a space. Then I need to come and copy. It's actually the same. Let me copy this, put it here. Now this is the second formula for the months after the full years are counted. So when you do that, you get 44 years and 11. If I want the months, add their months, leave a space, say months, close your quotes and say OK. So as you can see, I'll have 44 years and 11 months. So this is how you can calculate the age in both Google Sheets and Excel. Thank you for watching. Hope this has been helpful, and have a great day. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you have liked this video, please hit the like function to encourage me to do more videos like this. That's all I have for you today. See you in the next video.